Okay, welcome to our first presentation of Total View, our senior design project. And what we decided to do here for our first objective or our first module completion is facial recognition. And what we were going to do to begin with is use this camera to recognize faces, so it would detect motion and then would recognize the face, and if it was recognizable face, it would allow access to the system. This uses a lot of power to keep this on all the time, so we went away from that and now we're using this PIR motion sensor. So what to expect here, when we run this is going to be looking, well, when we run this first, we're going to trigger the motion sensor, and then this is going to be looking for a face. And if it doesn't see a face, it's going to tell us there's no face. There's nobody in the picture. If it sees a face it doesn't recognize, it's also going to tell us that there's an unknown face in the picture. And it's going to start a counter too. After 3 times, if an unknown face is detected, this is going to turn off. It's just done. So what you're going to see first, we're start off with there's nobody in the picture, and you're going to see that. And then you're going to see an unknown face in the picture, and we're going to let that happen 3 times, and then you're going to see this monitor turn off as if nobody recognizable was detected, so we're shutting down basically. And then you're going to see me put this camera to my face, and you're going to see it recognize me. So we're going to show you all the steps where there is no face, there's an unknown face, and there's a recognizable face, so you can see that the facial recognition, the motion censoring, all these things are actually working correctly. So I'll go ahead and get started here. It takes just a moment. We got some libraries that are going to load in. We'll get to this line of code, and that's where it's going to hold, waiting for some kind of motion. So we have this, there's nobody here. Brian will step in, and Brian's not programmed, so he'll be
it shouldn't
unknown.
recognize me.
So there's 1, 2.
There's 2. And now it should go.
No, go.
One more time.
It didn't catch your face the 3rd time. Okay, so there's 3, now we're gonna shut off. So we're off, let's turn it back on. And then let's go ahead and try my face.
And now once it catches Nick, it should trigger in and allow us back into the system.
Okay, so here we are, sees my face, and it's over. We're allowed access to the system now. That's our first demo presentation of our facial recognition module and motion detection for our Total View Senior Design project. Thanks for watching.